The Hoka Clifton has become one of the most popular running shoes on the market, loved by walkers and runners alike for its thick cushioning midsole. But the insole that comes inside it, well, it kinda sucks. This flimsy foam isn't doing anything to help your feet while you walk or run, but you could have something so much better. I'm wearing the Sole Active Medium in my Hoka Cliftons, and the fit and feel of these insoles in these shoes is just perfect. The insole's dynamic arch support really helps to give you a sense of energy return while you run, while helping you feel super locked in and comfortable in the shoe. And of course, you still enjoy all of the benefits of that thick, cushy midsole material. You can trim these down to size if you need to, but the size 10 from Sole fits perfectly in the 10 Hoka. The supportive insole does take up a little bit more space in the shoe, which can sometimes lead to a bit of heel slip in other shoes. But Hoka has this extra high padded heel collar, which helps your foot feel really locked in and comfortable. If you're looking for a supportive footbed to add a little bit of comfort and energy return to your Hoka Cliftons, you can't do better than the Sole Active Medium footbed.